Alright, we just picked up these 5 booster packs, Unified Minds. Are you happy, Vinny? Yes? Yes or no?
I don't know.
You don't know? So we got the...
He thinks it's a face.
We got the Giratina and Garchomp. Deoxys and Espeon, I believe. Mewtwo and Mew. And then we got the Darkrai and Umbreon. And then another Giratina and Garchomp. Alright. Here, and they're actually all like shrink wrapped, so.
We only got We got Mewtwo, but we don't got Mew and Mew. And it's not GX.
Oh, Salazzle, that sucks.
Imagine if we got Mew. That's our only.
These are packs.
That was like our only chance to get Mewtwo. Not really. It was like only like one chance of getting Mewtwo.
It's so hard to get those guys.
Yeah, at least I got Mew. At least I got Mewtwo, but that's like $2.
Mewtwo?
Yeah, you remember you saw it and it was like $2?
Oh god, camera ups. It sucks. How am I gonna get a holo?
Ooh! Look at that. Look at that though.
What, Normalium Z?
Yeah, it's so good. Yeah, Z-move?
It's a Z move.
Ooh, it takes 200 damage.
Please be something good. Oh my gosh.
That was the West. Yep.
Oh god. Well, I hope with our Elite Trainer box we get something good. Oh my gosh. Here, listen.
The last pack. That was so fast.
That's the last pack? Oh my gosh.
So fast.
No, we have 8 more packs.
8?
Please be something good in here. Please, oh my gosh. We got the trashiest packs.
We didn't even get a
Alright, we're gonna open up more packs here in a little bit. Alright, we just got this in the mail today. We're gonna open it up right now, huh, Vinny?
Yeah, I'm excited.
You
I
are?
hope we get good Pokemons.
I know, I hope we get a rainbow rare or something.
Imagine if we get like 3 rainbow rares. We can be rich.
Alright, Elite Trainer box, Unified Minds. It's too bad we didn't get nothing out of those booster packs.
That was before last time.
Yeah, freaking Walmart.
Ooh, it's a book. Let me see that book. See that? Oh, move the camera a little bit.
Here, let me see the book. I want to see the book.
I want to see that. Let me open up the big box. Ooh, it's got Pokemons on that. Whoa, it's good Pokemons on that. Whoa, imagine if we get that.
I want the Raichus and the Keldeo.
You almost got that in the game thing, right? Ooh, it's rainbow rare they even have in one book and on that though.
There's a Giratina and Garchomp full art. Looks pretty cool.
Oh, the rainbow rare looks so bad.
I don't really like rainbow rares, but those are the most expensive ones.
The rainbows.
Yeah.
I don't like them either. What's the best rainbow? What's the best Pokemon?
I don't know. There's lots of good ones. All right, let's open these cards.
Could be Mewtwo. I'm excited.
Me too.
I'm actually excited. Oh, let me get that pack. Ah, it's actually not picture of them. They're all pink. That's my yellow.
Little card sleeves. Awesome. Alright. Better pray. Pray for something good.
I hope we both get something good. I feel like there's nothing good in mine. I just feel like there's nothing good. There's nothing good, I bet. I'm gonna open this one next. See?
We didn't get a. Oh.
Nothing good. Nothing good. Yay, there's nothing good. Oh, I already had one on.
Look, Among Us.
Is it good?
We haven't got that one yet.
That's cool. Has like a little Pokeballs on it. See mine now.
Okay. Let's see what you got.
I'm open this.
Oh, look at it. We got a Drudagon. Reverse.
Ooh.
The Lucario again.
Can't open this one out. Oh, this one is hard to open. I think we need scissors.
No.
I need scissors.
Gratias.
No scissors. Oh, this is a pack. Okay, open
I
this
hope we at
one.
least get a holo. A lot of people online are getting good cards. We're not getting anything good.
Yeah, and we got a good box. Imagine we get Mewtwo and Mew.
Mag Mortar. That's alright card. But I want a holographic.
Open this next pack. It's too hard.
Okay.
Get that pack opened.
Alright, try that last
Wait,
one.
that's this is our last pack.
Yeah, it's already our last pack. There better be something good in here.
That's
This
barely.
is the worst batch of Pokemon cards we've ever opened.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me?
I hope we actually get at least get GX.
Something. Not even a holographic in this whole box. That's
At least
terrible.
get GX. Wow.
That's so terrible. Please be something.
It'll only be
Let's
5
get
minutes.
Let's get some last pack magic.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh.
That's the best thing we
So
got.
we can't even do a card recap because we didn't even get a holographic. It's ridiculous.
We didn't
have, like,
get 1 GX or nothing good.
nothing. It's ridiculous. Well, thanks for tuning in. Have a good one.